In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Telegram slow loading problems. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connected. The second thing you want to do is check Telegram server status, because sometimes what happens is Telegram servers might be down. You can simply visit Down Detector or similar sites to check if Telegram servers are down. If that is not the case, you can also go ahead and clear your cache by following this right here, going into settings, data storage, storage uses, and tap on clear cache. The other thing you want to do is disable power saving mode while using it, which will go ahead and interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. You can also disable VPN and proxy, which will definitely help. If you don't have enough storage, this could also be a major problem. You can also go ahead and disable automatic media download in your settings of your Telegram for data and storage. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your Telegram application. And if none of it works, then you might have to restart, update, or reinstall your Telegram completely. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.